Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Facebook page. If you're using Facebook and now you want to delete your Facebook page, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Facebook app and here just go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and here very first you have to make sure that you are logged into that page which you want to remove. You just have to tap on this arrow option here, and you have to make sure that you're logged in with the same page which you want to delete. So here I have a page logged in here. Now I'm going to delete my page. Just tap on your profile or the menu option in the bottom right. Just scroll down and look for settings and privacy. Tap on that, then tap on settings, and here just scroll down and look for the option of control and access. Here's the option of access and control. You just have to tap on that option, and here you will get three different options. The very first is deactivate page. If you want to disable or deactivate your page for some time, so you can select the first option. If you want to unpublish your page, so you just have to select the second option here. Or if you want to permanently delete your page, select the third option from here and then tap on continue option. So here you just have to select any reason, in which reason they want to delete. I'm going to select continue here. And here, what you can do, you can save your posts in your archive section, or you can also download your informations. Or if you don't want to do any of these, just tap on this continue option here, and then enter your Facebook profile password. So once you have entered your Facebook password, your page will be completely deleted. So in this way, you can easily and permanently delete your Facebook business page. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.